channel. So since my last self-care video did well on my channel, I thought of making another one for you guys because life will only get busier and busier. As a student, I always have to juggle between studies, work and maintaining a social life, which it is hard to do, trust me. That is why I decided यार एक self-care weekend तो बनता है. So what I'm going to show in this video is take you through my pamper routine. Let's get started. In this video, all the products that I'm going to be using are from a clean beauty brand called Buds and Berries. So I was just like casually scrolling through Instagram and I noticed like a lot of people were talking about this brand, and I went onto their page and the first thing that intrigued me the most was the tagline. It said, "Love yourself first." That's some good advice. So me being a curious person, I actually went on to Amazon. I love shopping from there and I just went ahead and purchased these 4 products. So guys, now let me introduce you to the products that made my me time go from awesome to epic. Ta-da! Here are all the products that I got. So firstly, I got the tender coconut water sheet mask, and then I got 3 products from the Tangerine Orange range. Now what I love about this range is the smell. The smell of tangerine, it's so refreshing. It just reminds me of like sitting under a tree in the summers. It's just so beautiful. The very first step of my pamper routine is obviously cleansing my face. So to cleanse my face, I am going to be using the Buds and Berries Brightening Tangerine Orange Face Wash. It has a very gel based texture and the face wash lathers up quite well. The fragrance of this face wash is tangy and feels very refreshing. You can massage it in circular motion and don't forget to gently rub it on your forehead, as that is the place you get tan the most. It also help you in making your skin firm and bring back the natural glow to your skin. It has a soap-free formulation that helps remove the excess oils and dirt from your pores. Now the face wash's pH is 5.5, which is similar to our skin's pH as well, so it is safe to use for all skin types, and this is priced just at rupees 400 for 240 ml and you can buy it on Amazon. Now the next step in my pamper routine is the shower routine. So today I'm going to be using the Buds and Berries Tangerine Orange Detox and Refresh body wash. Let me show you the texture of the body wash. Of course, it smells like a bucket of freshly plucked oranges. You just need to take a few pumps and it forms a very rich lather. Why I like this body wash is because it has a very long lasting citrus smell, and also it leaves your skin super soft and smooth, and it doesn't cause over dryness, which is the best part about it. The product provides a complete detoxifying and energizing experience. Now since we have cleaned our face and our body thoroughly, it is also important to moisturize ourselves. So what I'm going to be using for moisturizing my body is the Buds and Berries Fruit Nourish Body Lotion from the Tangerine Orange range. Now the moisturization as well as the fragrance, which smells amazing by the way, are long lasting. So my skin actually feels very soft and supple, and if you don't like the thick lotions that make your skin very sticky, then this one is the right option for you. Now my favorite part of the pamper routine is sheet masks. Now I personally think that sheet masks are very practical and convenient to use because you can just put them on and maybe read a book, watch a movie, and they're so much fun to take like selfies it and post it on your Instagram story. My pick for today's sheet mask is the Buds and Berries Tender Coconut Water Sheet Mask. This packet contains 1 serum mask. It is enriched with a mix of ultra hydrating botanical extracts to hydrate skin with only a single use. Now massage the serum all over your face. Honestly, I prefer using all natural ingredients and products for my hair and skincare. Since Buds and Berries is a clean beauty brand, it is inspired by garden fresh ingredients and also it's dermatologically tested, so it is safe for all skin types. So I honestly like all the products that I tried from the Buds and Berries brand, and I'll leave the link to all of these products down in the description box below, so make sure that you go and check it out. It is available on Amazon and thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you give yourself some off time as well and have a pamper session as well. Let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see me making next, and if anything in particular from buds and berries. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye.